Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'll be doing a tag video. I haven't done one of these in a while and I have actually a few tag videos to do. Jill, Mauer and Cadell actually also tagged me in another video and it is coming, okay? This video I was tagged by Fashionably Amy. If you haven't watched her video, I'll link it up here. The tag is called Luxury Items I Will Not Buy No Matter the Hype. So I feel like this tag is kind of like the major compilation of the few videos that I have been doing, which is my Save My Money videos, whereby I talk about kind of hyped up items and I talk about how expensive they are and maybe that's why I won't buy them. So if you've been following my Save My Money series, I do pick several items in each video to just bash on a little bit, and I really tried to narrow it to 5 items that I will not buy no matter the hype. Oh my god, it is not easy, coming from a person who buys trendy things. I do have a few trendy items, okay, like my Balenciaga triple S's. I know that popped out in several people's videos, like, oh, ugly sneakers, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm like, yeah, I didn't want to buy it as well, until I tried it, and I kind of like, yeah, they're kind of cool. They're kind of so out there that it makes me happy. Okay, so anyway, they are not for everyone. And then I also have a bum bag. So I like fun, quirky stuff. Like I like Doraemon. If there was a pair of Doraemon shoes, I will probably buy them as well. I like fun things as well. Okay, on top of all my classic things, I do like a bit of, a bit of cheekiness in my stuff. But there are some things, okay, that I won't buy out of the sheer oddness of them, my personality, and just sheer principle. I just won't buy them. So let's get to this video. First item is actually the Fendi Montresor bag, and I'm talking about the mini version, and I won't buy this. Mainly it's because of my habit. I am a very clumsy person. I do prefer bags that are zipped or can be closed or can be tightened as much as you can, so that the bag opening is not it's not out for everyone to see. I also have a very fearful that somebody's gonna rob me kind of attitude. So the mini Montresor, I saw it at the store. I found that it could not be closed. It's like, I don't know, it's pretty stiff, so even no matter how you pull it, the opening is still slightly, open. It's open, alright? So I will not buy it just mainly because of that. I know me as a clumsy person, I would knock it over, my stuff will fall out, and I know that I will forget. I will wear it and I'll sling to the back, whereby I'm walking in a crowded place. I'll most likely be a major target from pickpocketers. So I'm just not comfortable with that bag. The second bag that I will not buy, no matter the hype, is actually the Gucci marmont bag. I've spoken about this several times. I feel like the bag, for its price, for a flat bag, a pretty classic flat bag, is really good. It looks nice, it looks elegant with the gold hardware and the G's and all, but I don't personally think the bag is well made. I've tried it several times in the store. The bottom of the base, the kind of like sides here, feel that it's really soft. And I haven't heard any YouTubers say that, oh, it holds its shape. To be honest, most YouTubers that I've heard talk about this bag say that it does kind of soften over time, and that's like the more politically way to say that it will lose its shape. You know what I mean? When you say it softens, it will kind of like a bit out of shape. The main reason why I won't buy it is the heart. Okay, I have a real problem with the heart at the back. Mentioned it many times. It is so odd to me. I don't know. I'm not a heart person. I'm not a heart person. I am a star person. But even if they put a star at the back, I won't buy it unless it's a very funky, cheap bag, but not on a classic black or classic design bag. Feel like when it's so classic, it should stay classic. It should look classic. That's how I feel about the bag. I feel like it should have just maintained its wave design or whatever, chevron designs or whatever quilting cutting they had, but not a heart. So the oddness of it on that main reason is one reason why I won't buy it. third and fourth item are just on principle, I will not buy. Okay, the first is the Gucci t-shirt. I have mentioned it several times. I will not pay so much money for this t-shirt that just says Gucci, and it's so thin and just see-through. I just can't do it. I know a lot of people look so amazing in it. Just on principle, I will not buy it. Give me a funky Doraemon shirt like this. Great material, washed it multiple times, cost maybe a 20th of the price, and looks so fun. It's a talking piece, but there is nothing spectacular about the word Gucci. There is nothing, okay? And add to the fact that the quality is so paper thin. Look, I live in a really hot country, okay? And maybe not like Dubai hot, but it's hot, okay? It's hot, it's sweaty, my pit sweat, it's just hot. I would of course love a thin, you know, lots of oxygen flowing, warm through my body kind of shirt. You know, it's comfortable, I know, but I won't pay that money, okay? If it's $50, fine, I'll buy it. But it's so expensive, so principally I will not buy it. Love item that principally I will not buy, and I swear I will not buy, are the Dior and LV friendship bracelets. Oh my god, stop exploiting my childhood. My childhood, okay? I used to make friendship bands, and I think in one of my Save My Money videos I mentioned them. I was actually making a friendship band. I haven't finished showing it to you, right? I will dig it out. It's almost done. I stopped a little bit because I was so lazy. But yeah, my husband wants that. I can make friendship bands. Okay, so the Dior one, so I'm comparing the two right now, Dior and LV. So LV, Virgil's Labo one, he came out with that, and his version is a kind of friendship band that I make, okay? It's so basic. It's just one line that goes like this. Compare the two, if you know, put a little knife to me, which one would I buy? I obviously would buy the Dior one, because the Dior one is more intricate. It's more complicated, the way they do the stitching that goes like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. It's definitely more complex, more work involved. So I understand that. But the Virgil and the LV ones is OMG exploitation, okay? So I will not buy the LV one, obviously. But the Dior one is much better. But both also I will not buy, because they are friendship bands. They are meant to be made by us, to be given to our friends out of love, out of sheer sitting there twirling, 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 and just spending hours doing it. And it's love, okay? It's love that money cannot buy. I'm getting very emotional. So something else that no matter how much the hype is, I will not buy it. Fifth item that I will not buy is, it's a little bit odd, okay? It's odd, alright? Six is also odd, but fifth is also odd. It's actually the Dior saddlebag. Oh, I can't do it. It is odd to me, you guys. It is one of those bags that I know they revived from the grave. From some retro time in the past, from Dior's old, I know, whatever lah. So they pull it out again, redesign it, put all kinds of patterns on it, you know, stuck all things on it, and they, you know, are selling it so much more expensive. But in my eyes, it looks like a liver, okay? It looks like a body part. And it's, to me, it's not a shape that looks good to put things. It's a liver that, you know, you gotta slot to the side of the liver and put things at a higher little bit in the liver, and you know, it's, I don't know, it's odd. Okay, so bonus time, and this is actually a category of items. So I watched Lala's video as well, and she said that she cannot stand, or she can't buy bags that have a face on it. And I actually quite like having bags with a face on it. Like, I do actually have the luggage tote, so that bag does have like a robot face, and actually for her it was like for me it's like, oh, that's so cute. So it's a totally different feeling. Absolutely understand that. For me, there is a category out there that I just will not buy, okay? And I am so, let me just say it first, okay? I am so sorry to anyone or everyone out there watching this section of this video, and from now onwards you might not be able to unsee what I'm gonna say. Bags that actually look like underwear. Okay, there are a few luxe houses out there that when I see their bags, I don't just see their bags, I actually see something else. And one that I have mentioned before is actually the Enquiries wave bag that to me looks like a bra. Okay, it looks like a bra. The shape that goes like this at the bottom, it looks like a bra. Okay, that's one. And then the Gucci marmont bag, if you actually open the flap, it looks like underwear. Underwear, okay. And there's one more. The product, they also have that kind of curved in design, and when I first look at it, I'm like, doesn't that have an old childhood kind of design of an underwear? Like, oh my gosh, am I the only one that sees the underwear pattern that goes like this, or the bra? Why do people not see it? Like, when you are designing a bag, unless you want it to be provocative and you see it, but when I look at it, I'm like, I see an underwear. Like, no, I see the outline. Just don't like holding things that look like my bra or my underwear or my panties. I just don't like it. Okay, so there are a few bags like that, and I am so sorry, like I said, to anyone out there who will not be able to unsee it. I'm so sorry. So those are the luxury items that I will definitely not be buying, no matter the hype. I do hope you guys enjoyed my version of this video. And if you have any item which you will not buy, no matter the hype, that includes my LV bum bag, leave it in the comments down below. I'll definitely check it out. Let's share, and yeah, let's read of everybody's comments. You guys take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.